the Supreme Court has taken upon itself to tame the Enforcement Directorate. It is like the Gestapo. How Nazis used Gestapo, the BJP is using the Enforcement Directorate, and the people of our country will put an end to this kind of adventurism by the Enforcement Directorate.
The Supreme Court on Thursday stayed a money laundering probe against state-run liquor retailer, that's the Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation, better known as the TASMAC, in an alleged 1,000 crore rupee scam. Commenting on the raids, the Apex Court said ED is violating the Constitution. ED is really crossing all limits. The court further added, you may register cases against individuals, but corporations, your ED is passing all limits. Issue notice returnable after vacation. A bench of Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, and Justice A.G. Masi was hearing a petition filed by the Tamil Nadu government challenging the Madhya Pradesh High Court's rejection of its plea seeking directions to restrain the Enforcement Directorate from conducting searches in the state without the consent of the state government.
It's an extortionate agency of the BJP. We all know how the Enforcement Directorate helped BJP to amass thousands of crores using the electoral bond route. And when a company donates, then the ED cases will drop off. This is how they have been milking with the help of Enforcement Directorate. It is a political tool. Every election, the opposition parties will be targeted by the Enforcement Directorate. If you look at the Supreme Court judgments after 2024 elections, all the judgments are indicting the Supreme Court. Today, they said you are interfering with the federal structure. 5th May, the Supreme Court said you are filing cases without prima facie evidence. And earlier, you are torturing in Haryana, and they refused to entertain the bail which was granted to Mr. Hemant Soren. He became the Chief Minister. So there is a method to this madness of the Enforcement Directorate. Now the Supreme Court has taken upon itself to tame the Enforcement Directorate. It is like the Gestapo. How Nazis used Gestapo, the BJP is using the Enforcement Directorate, and the people of our country will put an end to this kind of adventurism by the Enforcement Directorate.
Appearing for the state, senior advocate Kapil Sibal told the court that the state itself has filed 41 FIRs against liquor outlet operators over allegations of corruption between 2014 and 2021. However, ED entered the scene in 2025 and raided the headquarters and took the phones and devices of the officers, according to Sibal. In a petition filed to the Madhya Pradesh High Court, TASMAC had requested the court to direct the ED not to harass its officials. However, the court rejected all the requests and directed the ED to go ahead with its probe. The writ petitions had argued that ED's power of search and inquiry in relation to predicate offence arising out of and within territorial limits of a state without the consent of the concerned state is violative of the basic structure of federalism. To which the High Court replied, the argument that there must be a precondition of getting the consent from the state government before conducting searches is completely illogical and bereft of conscience. How can a raid or search be conducted in a state government-owned company in a surprise manner if permission is to be obtained beforehand? The court also justified the seizure of mobile phones of TASMAC officials during the ED searches. It said the seizure of mobile phones is directly and inextricably related to the investigation and search under PMLA for the purpose of collection of evidence for gathering material to unearth the offence of money laundering and prosecute the offenders. The Enforcement Directorate conducted the searches at TASMAC offices in March amid a large-scale investigation into alleged corruption and financial irregularities within the body, which oversees liquor sales in Tamil Nadu. ED officials raided 20 locations, including the corporation's headquarters in Chennai between the 6th of March and the 8th of March. The probe is based on over 40 FIRs registered in the matter by the Tamil Nadu Vigilance Department. Meanwhile, DMK leader R.S. Bharti responded to this case, saying Supreme Court staying ED probe against TASMAC is a blow to BJP's efforts to malign the Tamil Nadu government. The party also said that the ED is a blackmailing organization which is being used by the BJP against the non-BJP ruled states.